Hey everybody, we got an 86 Mustang here in the shop today. It's got a little, what is this, Paxton? No, I'm sorry, it's a vortech supercharger. No intercooler, straight off the supercharger. Runs, I believe he said it was an 8-pound pulley right now, so not too bad. Good for about 400. Anywhere between 4 to 450. Not too bad setup. We got a little wire's nest, a little crow's nest or rat's nest. There we go. That's the word I was thinking of. Got a little rat's nest going on over here. Some shop did this for him. Was cutting up all these wires. Looks like crap. Look at these wires. And a lot of them are exposed. Look at this. Look at that. That's exposed. These wires over here are exposed. 2 of them have power come out of it, 12 volts. So that's really good. There's a bunch of wires that are disconnected. This is a ground wire. Yeah, it's just a mess. And these wires right here are 12 volts to this, all exposed. Look at these wires. And then this right here, that's what puts it into maintenance mode so you can adjust your timing. Hey, if you can't find the chip, there you go. But that works for now. The wiring over here on this side's not so bad. They got a little, what is this, a 6VTM. You can't really get that in view too well, but anyways. So the wiring over here is not too bad, but how can you mess it up? Because you're just, you're running wire over to the other side that's already in the loom. This is a little bit of a crow's nest here, but I don't know, I have to go through this and see what this one is. I know how bad it is, I mean. And then I checked the fuel pressure, and fuel pressure is only getting up to about 10, 15 tops. And the battery has got almost 12.5, about 12.3, 12.4 voltage. So yeah. And then I go and check the oil pressure gauge to make sure it's got oil when I'm cranking it, and the thing's not even connected. It's just floating there. Let's see where it is, if you can see it. Right here, look at this. Just, the guy mentioned it stopped working, and I was like, well, let's check, see why. I guess that's the reason why. Wiring up here is not too great, but most factory stuff looks like this. I need to go through and check things out. But nice little interior. But it's got a nice interior. And the back seats match, so that's a plus. Look at that. That looks really good. Overall, this car is not too bad. Not too bad. Not much for the dash, but hey, it works. Gauges are pretty nice, but I don't think anything's really connected because I should have power to it. And fuel pressure gauge works. But like I said, I was only getting 20 pounds. That just proved it. Yeah. We'll get it fixed. Yeah, so you guys hit me up. Ask me any questions. Let me know what you think. Or, If you have anything wrong with your car, hit me up and we'll do a little diagnosing. But yeah, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button. It helps me make more videos, and then I make more videos and I can get more experience of trying to figure out how to do all this stuff. But anyways, you guys have a good one. Talk to you later.